think I've just been really scared to film because, like, I'm not the same girl anymore, and I don't know if people are gonna like that, or they're gonna hate that, or they're gonna think I'm cooler or more of a loser. Every time I sit down to film, I let that fucking thought get in my head that, like, you're never gonna be as good as you once were. Nobody's gonna like you now because you're kind of an asshole and you kind of just don't give a fuck, and that's really not an attractive trait, but at the same time, like, it makes me happier than anything in the world to just not care for once in my goddamn life! Which is why you also haven't seen me for 11 months. Every time I stop to film, something happens. I don't get it. This is why you haven't seen me for 11 fucking months. This world can hurt you. It cuts you deep and leaves. Also why you haven't seen me. Because I got a baby. Ew, don't. I know it's been a long time, but you don't need to fill in things. I don't know how to preface this video. I'm feeling like a lot of pressure right now. So I was sitting here this morning writing blog posts and watching Vlogmases, and I watched this one Vlogmas and this girl literally just sat there and talked about nothing, and it was the most relaxing and great and empowering and beautiful thing I think I've seen all day. I was just like, you know, what the fuck am I so afraid of? Like, why am I so just incapable of sitting down and filming a video? Probably because I'm out of focus, and that's not cute. I've tried doing makeup videos, I've tried doing vlogs, I've tried doing life updates, which are just boring as fuck. I think I just have too many expectations. Like, I'm supposed to make this like grand re-entrance, rebirthing, coming of YouTubing that I just don't want to fucking do that. Like, I just don't feel like it. And I forget that just doing whatever the fuck I feel like or don't feel like is what makes me the happiest. Today I'm going to upload this piece of trash video just to do it. Just to get my fucking foot in the door, my face on the internet. Not that y'all don't see it enough if you follow me on Instagram. Like, this bitch needs to shut up. So I decided today, because I keep fucking talking about it and keep fucking saying I'm gonna do it, and then my bitch ass doesn't do it, I'm gonna give you a house tour. Even though my house is not clean in the slightest. It's not completed in any way, shape, or form. There's no room that's completely done. There's no room that doesn't have its faults. I bought a... You'll see it. I bought a 1,200 square foot ranch with the help of the most incredible people in my life. Have helped me to completely renovate and redo and make be. It's not perfect. It's not beautiful, but it's completely my own space, and I have promised this for 10 fucking years. So I'm just gonna show you my unkempt, messy house because, like, we being real as fuck. I also went out and got myself a dog. So this is Bug, and he's a noodle and a love. Becky, oh, happy? I rescued him about a month ago now, and he is just the light of my fucking life. Can you just sit? Can you sit? Oh, are we gonna put our messy house on the internet for everyone to see? All your shedding hairs. Oh yeah, you're embarrassed? That's okay, me too. We're gonna do it anyways. So when you walk in the front door, this is my living room space. I don't really know like how to do a house tour because my bedroom at my mom's house was always so messy that like I couldn't even film a fucking room tour because it was disgusting. So I don't know what I'm doing, but that goes for everything in my life. I don't know. Everyone kept asking for this, and now I feel really ridiculous doing it. Couch is from Bob's. Pillows are from Walmart. Blankets, I made that one. These are my grandmother's. Shears are from Amazon. Plant. This is from Big Lots. This is like my newest piece. I bought an electric ass fireplace, and I feel like a bougie bitch. Hi. Bird cage, yep. Then you come into my kitchen, so I have a side door, and We're not perfect here, people. So this is my kitchen space, which I'm absolutely in love with. Table is from Amazon. I was working on blog posts and Bird was having himself a merry little party. Yep. Do you love the kitchen? Is this where your food is? Are you a nice boy? You are. Okay, enough of the nasty ass mom voice. Kitchen, 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 kitchen. Then we have my hallway. Okay. Bathroom space. I always get questions. This shower curtain is from society6.com. Rug from Target. Okay, grand. Still don't know what I'm doing. Big Lots, also Big Lots. Okay, my sister slept over 2 weeks ago and I still haven't made the bed. So that's where we're at with that. This is my bedroom. Yes, my life is an endless cycle of laundry. Honey, it is the middle of the day. It is not time for bed yet. I hope I have some cute music playing because worst house tour to go on the internet in 2K18 or ever. So anyways, this is my bed. Bedding is from Marshall's. The lampshades are from Amazon. That is from Target. The shears are from Walmart. Cubes from Big Lots. Bye. And then we just have my office, which is a mess. What a shock. This couch I bought from, oh, it's very echoey in here. I got from Goodwill for $16. This little like love seat sofa thing. $16. How do you go wrong? And it folds out into a fucking bed so I can have all my bitches sleep over. Yeah, I said that. And then one of my favorite aspects of this whole house, I have this gorgeous, 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 gorgeous screen porch. Not screen. This is glass. So it's literally like living in the fucking woods in the summer, and it's our favorite. Out here is where I sat when I filmed my first like I bought a house video. I'm currently sitting in my own house that I bought with my money. By myself, for me, my thing. I did it. I have sweat stains and a house. So someday I'll upload that because it actually is really cute and really good. I just never got around to editing it because right after I filmed that we started renovations and ripping everything down, and eventually I'll sit down and talk about the house and everything and how I've done it. But you can also check out my blog carolynxo.com if you would like to see some of those things, because written word is just easier than filming at this point in my life. But I wanted to show you guys everything because I keep promising it. So that was a very, very, very brief this is pity life. All the time. All the fucking time. So thank you for watching the worst house tour to ever hit the interwebs. I really just had to sit my ass down, shut the fuck up, and do it. In a sense where I didn't sit down and I didn't shut up for the last 10 minutes, but like, that's fine. Everybody just keeps asking me like why I don't film anymore and where I've been and why I don't post on YouTube anymore and blah, blah, blah. And it's just because YouTube was a part of middle school me and high school me and a very brief stint of college me, and now I'm like, I'm grown now. I'm not even that fucking old. Like, I'm 21. I'll be 22 in January, but I'm just a different type of bitch now, and it's really hard for me to fit mainstream media, and I just have to remind myself that in not giving a fuck, I don't have to fit into mainstream media because that's just not who I am. Like, that's not who I am. I'm just a completely different human, and I don't want to pour energy into something where that isn't going to be well received, because I do a lot to protect my energy now, and I keep my circle very small, and I'm very protective of myself. And it's not that I'm like afraid of haters or anything, because like, hate on me all you want. You know who you are, because you're probably fucking watching this because you're a fucking skank hoe. But yeah, haters don't bother me. It's just, This takes a lot of energy and a lot of emotional, I don't want to say the word energy again, because if I say the word energy again, I'm going to punch myself in the face. It just takes a lot of emotional input to do this and do it to the point of making it worth it and doing it well. And I just don't want to waste it, you know, because I could expend that doing something that I love and will be better received. But anyways, that's a tangent for another time. Oh, this is how the Instagram bitches take fucking sunset not sunset. Fucking golden hour pictures. Am I doing it? Is it? So I hope y'all don't hate me, and if you do, unsubscribe so I don't feel like a loser when I have 20,000 subscribers and only 2 people watch me. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see you whenever the fuck I feel like. Peace.